Hi, I'm Meghana Prakash. I am from India. I have studied and completed my MBA from Judge Business School, Cambridge, and I just graduated. So I started off in September 2024 and I completed my course in 2025. I think words certain times cannot describe few experiences, and I think the MBA experience was one such experiment for me. I think the only thing which can actually sum up the experience is to talk about how radically different it was from a general MBA experience. The most important aspect, I think, was the aspect of college and the university being very closely tied into the MBA program experience, which made it very much wholesome and most importantly authentic. Definitely, a lot of them did have a huge impact on me because I come from a very tech background. So especially courses in like finance was very impactful for me because I learned very new things, and even strategy, because as working in startups we always use the word strategy very loosely. So I think learning about strategy from the MBA gave me a lot of frameworks which I can adapt and use it in my daily life. So that is very useful. One of the most important interesting courses for me was managing innovation strategically and leadership courses. Those were some things which I really liked, and I really learned something different and unique which added to my MBA experience. If you are in Cambridge, it's a mandate that we have to utilize the ecosystem which is present in Cambridge, which is fortunately the Silicon Fen. Coming from a tech background and a person interested in startups, I really enjoyed and valued the experience I got through talking with founders, talking with investors in the Silicon Fen, as well as students who are starting to build their own things. So the amount of information I actually got through these students working on deep tech projects, for example, certain aspects of genetics to increase longevity or any of these things, which was very interesting for me. And I think that is the experience which Silicon Fen provides. Entrepreneurship is very big in Cambridge. So having access to Silicon Fen gives us the opportunity to realize how easy or how difficult it is to become a founder, especially in certain areas of healthcare, deep tech, robotics, etc. So I think having an experience of such a experience in Cambridge, especially being in United Kingdom, I think gives opens up a lot of doors. I think being a woman in technology is firstly very difficult and very challenging on its own. But being a woman in business, especially having a seat in boardroom and having people to actually support you being there is again another complexity. So I feel that being a Forte fellow and having the opportunity to represent women in business was something which meant much more than I can explain, because I was able to define my own self and be my authentic self, put out the opinions which I had and shared, and also learn from the other Forte fellows, right? Womanhood, but more importantly, allyship, which kind of enhances the MBA. That was something which Forte really provided. The community where you can share without feeling judged, learn about business, and actually talk sense, right? That is something which I think everyone kind of harnessed and nurtured, which is why I respect Forte Fellowship quite a lot throughout my MBA experience. So for me, when I see my experience or what I wanted to do after the MBA, I always looked at it like a Venn diagram, and the center was what I wanted to achieve. And it was the intersection of business, technology, and social impact. I always was wondering how we can actually make social impact measurable, right? That was one of the most important challenges which I was facing throughout. So I think through the MBA, I learned a lot of frameworks, and working with even the social program at Judge Business School, I really learned more about how we can actually measure. And that is using system thinking frameworks and kind of navigating on really what we want to achieve. Building the business model around impact is important, but also recognizing the challenges and assumptions which come along with systemic changes, that is something which is more critical. So using technology is certain times good, but where technology has to be inserted, using digital transformation in the right way, these are things which I learned in the MBA, which is actually helping me right now when as I navigate through this journey. the leadership classes as well as entrepreneurship courses which we had throughout the MBA program uh, open up the minds of people who even weren't interested to start off with entrepreneurship, right, in the MBA program. I think that is something which the Judge MBA really pushes us to do, to think out of our boxes, right? So maybe I was clever before the MBA because I could think that I could change the world. But after the MBA, I think I'm wise because now I know I have to change myself first in order to bring a change. So I think that is something which entrepreneurship and the leadership courses in the MBA have really instilled in my DNA. I think one thing which any MBA and all the MBAs must provide is diversity, because that's how we actually discuss and learn about how things operate, how global challenges are present, and how we can actually bring in real solutions to solve these global pressing issues. That's what the Cambridge MBA definitely did provide. The diversity of the cohort provided me with exposure to different cultures and different practices which happen, which can actually be used in our workplaces, whether it's in India, London, US, Australia, any country. I think that was something which is very important. But more importantly, more than diversity is actually those diverse members bringing out the authentic self, which the MBA gave us a space to come up and actually talk, share our opinions, share the feedback, celebrate wins, but also criticize and learn from each other, because that's when we actually improve ourselves. That is something which diversity really brought in, along with authenticity of the members in my classroom. So I feel that these friendships which I've done throughout the MBA is not just within the classroom, it is now beyond the classroom. So if I visit any country, I have a home to stay in, I have people to meet, and most probably even startups in which I can be a part of or invest in. So I think that's the most exciting part of an MBA program, which is this diverse. The alumni network as well as the student network at Cambridge is very, very strong. And whoever is joining the MBA program must realize an MBA is as strong as the alumni network of the school, but as well as the university. At Cambridge, we have the opportunity to be a part of multiple such networks. One is definitely the network of Cambridge Judge Business School itself. The second is the network of the colleges which are present, where we meet multidisciplinary students who are working from right from undergrad to their PhD and postdoc levels. That is, I think, something where we learn more, because no startup, no business can actually be just of a single discipline. There is always a combination of disciplines which work along. And I think the college system definitely does enhance that capacity for us to interact with such students. I think that was something which was very exciting. Being a part of formal dinners and sitting next to students who are working on something extremely critical and learning from them about how they are proceeding with that. I think that is something which cannot be replaced in my experience. Apart from this, we have this third network, which is of the entire university network, which is intra-college connections, right? So I think being a part of clubs or university societies, like for example, I was part and heading the digital aspect of a club called Cambridge University Technology and Enterprise Society. This was where we worked with startups and funders, investors, in order to support and bridge the gap between them. And I think this gave me access to not just students in my college or in my school, but also in the wider university, allowing me to expand. More importantly, we don't have to just stick to the disciplines which we are working in. I was also part of the theatre club, and I participated and acted in a lot of theatre in Cambridge. So I think this opens up space where we can just discover ourselves. And if we are planning to explore post MBA or during the MBA, not sure of what we want to do through the MBA and which career option we are trying to look at, I think MBA, especially at Cambridge, I would suggest, gives us the opportunity to just go speak to people, look at opportunities, and maybe find your co-founder at the next formal dinner. So I think that opportunity we cannot get in any other school. I think managing innovations, how to evaluate innovations. I'm very interested in startups, as I mentioned. So I think in startups, the ability to understand the balance between innovation versus revenue generation, that is something which I learned through the MBA. And that is something which I really value, because certain times we get lost in innovation but forget about actually the money aspect of it. I think that is something which I really picked up throughout the MBA. But more importantly, I think just being able to network, because networking is a skill which we learn throughout the MBA. But more than networking, I think it's nurturing the connection. So bringing up the connection, nurturing the connection, and trying to ensure that you stay in touch so that you know what is happening throughout different ecosystems. That is something which the MBA, throughout the MBA, it's not a course, but I think throughout the MBA, we just build the skill in order to enhance our network. So I think that is another skill which I learned. And to top it off, I think my main reason was to kind of bridge the gap between the three aspects. So I think business, technology, and impact, this was something which I was really looking forward to. And now as I work on building innovation frameworks to measure impact, to see how it actually affects the world, those are some things which I cannot learn from just an online course. So I think that is something which the MBA really helped me with. And yeah, talking to professors, I think, is a learning all on its own, right? So that can't be replaced anywhere. So yes, these are few things which I think I learned. With the Cambridge MBA, many people do find out that they want to shift, they want to switch into certain careers like consulting, finance, based on what they actually felt throughout the first term of the course. I saw many of my classmates actually switch to finance because they just loved the finance course that much. For me, however, I think I was always interested in entrepreneurship. I was always interested in tech. So for me, it was slightly more straightforward. But I think I started understanding what kind of roles which I would really like to do. For example, working with founders is something which I really like and I really enjoy, because I understand directly what they want to achieve, and I can translate these business goals into technological decisions which can be spoken to engineers. So I think this gap was something which I was looking to fulfill, and I think it just reaffirmed my goal that I was actually interested in that and would like to go more further ahead in that. And being in tech was something which I really loved. And I think the MBA really reaffirmed that the technology is something which is already there in my DNA and I cannot really remove it or cannot separate that from myself. So I'm happy to see that my strengths and weaknesses were actually looked at when I got into the MBA program, but also kind of enhanced the sense to enhance. Weaknesses were identified. We decided how we want to work on it, and all this through the MBA reaffirmed on what I want to do after the MBA program. Technology is accelerating. I wouldn't even tell it's growing, because it is exponentially accelerating at this point of time. And I realized that with increase in the usage of technology, MBAs or MBA students have to be really aware of how we can actually be a part of the system and not away from the system. And first is to recognize that technology is here to stay and it is not going to go anywhere. So as long as we start understanding how it can complement our skills rather than think of it as a negative externality, I think that is the most important thing. Once we start appreciating technology, once we start really evaluating technology, and once we start seeing whichever career role we are and how technology can be embedded, I think that is when we have found the balance to understand how we can manage technology and the MBA hand in hand. I wouldn't say MBA is definitely of no use in the technology world, because what skills we learn through the MBA is much more than any hard skills or any other soft skills we learn from any other program. MBA gives us this new dimension, new hope that we can actually survive in a world where technology is accelerating. So when everyone in the world is now racing towards a particular technology, MBAs can have that patience to see, evaluate, and see how they can be a part of the system, how they can utilize technology to move ahead and to help other people. Because finally, I think the goal is to create an impact, whether it is with or without technology. And I think with Cambridge Judge teaching us how impact and tech are closely related, I feel business is a must, and for us to learn and enhance that skill is definitely useful. I think that is something which I really believe in.